Hello there, this is Adrian. Welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can automate like taking a lot of different random data and you can actually from a PDF file, doc file, Google Doc, Word, whatever, you can use ChatGPT or any other large language learning model and you can turn it into something useful and put it into your template. This is what I've done and this is what I do in my channel. Adrian Be Free. So check out the rest of this video. It's gonna actually put a 4-hour video into one and see what you can learn. Yeah, it's saving yourself thousands of hours, a lot of money for your company just by using this. Yeah. Okay, so let's get to this. I actually recorded the whole video, like 4 hours of me building this thing out, and this is not the last version which I'm gonna give to the client, but it's pretty close. So what do we do? I'm gonna just show you what happens here. Okay, so we have inputs, we have like some random CVs. Yeah, and there are different formats. You see, this is a docx file, this is a Google Doc file. Yeah, it's a Google Doc file. Then we got different ones, they got like different formats. This one has a profile, contact, skills, experience. This one is yeah, as you see, like it's a different format. It's like every different place. So it's a big job. Yeah, it's actually a big job. I'm just getting paid like $100 for it, but it's okay. I'm learning and I'm gonna get my first review. Okay, so sadly you cannot just feed in like PDFs or text files into, or sorry, you cannot just feed PDF into the API with Make. Not yet, not the way I've used it so far. But if you do convert it, then it's possible. So that's what we've done. So you got the input, and then in a folder of outputs, I want to get the output. And then from a template, this template, I want to create the output, okay? So the template, I've fixed it in a way so that all of the fields that we extract from the random CVs, they get feed into this template, the standardized template, yeah? So I'm gonna run this for you. I'll show you what we're doing here. So we have a Google Drive file. We're taking the random CV, the PDF file. So it's this one. We're taking that. There's the name, there's some context, there's like the experience, okay? So we're taking that and then we're converting the file into a text file, yeah? And then we're requesting that text file because it actually creates a URL. So we need to get the information from that URL. We're putting that into Cloud AI that we have trained with this model. And then we're outputting some info. And then we're filling it out in a new template. So let's run this now and see what happens. And I'm gonna put YouTube just so you can see it was created now. All right, so that's the file name that will be, everything just maps, you know, from each module, everything is mapping like forward, yeah? All right, so I'm gonna run this for you and then I'm gonna run the rest of the video like after this just with music. So let's run this. We're getting the file now and then we got an error. Oh no, probably because I didn't, all right, let's see. What happened now? Good that it's happening. Oh, I ran out of credits. That sucks. That really sucks. Alright, let me just pause this video. Maybe I can get some credits. Alright, so just for the purposes of this video, I just ran it in a different way. So, not using Cloud Convert right now, just using pdf.co. Alright, let's see how this runs. If it's not gonna run, it's gonna be awkward, but I think it's gonna be okay. So let's run it. So the Google Drive is fetching it. It's gonna put it into the pdf.co. It's putting out a file. That file is this is the string. Then we get these things, yeah, so that's the name that's getting parsed now, so we can use this data, and I just store it here. This is unnecessary, but and then we should have a file. So if we go to output, there you go. What's the file name? YouTube Now. Let's go. Okay, so you see now. So this is just something I put in myself. This is the name, missing info. Yeah, we don't have the telephone of the guy. We don't have the other data, yeah? So, okay, that was also another mess up. We actually, in here, I hadn't changed this one. So now it should be correct. So let's run it one more time. We're gonna just delete this, move to trash. Let's see what happens. So it's running. We got the data there. This is gonna be the output, Pavlo. And then we get the response. So we got the telephone number, missing info, present job title. This is actually not correct, but we're running the haiku. No, we're running sonnet. Okay. We're still gonna have to work on it, but okay. So it's not perfect. But we have the new we have the new resume. We have filled in the name, the professional qualifications, name of employer and address of employer is wrong because there is no present employer. And yeah, job title, yeah. I mean, this is taking this one. It's taking the 3D designer or design engineer as job title, so it's not correct because that's not the present job, right? But anyways, so watch the rest of the video to see how we got this far. Now we're gonna have to adjust the ChatGPT model more or less to get a good overall response. Yeah, I'm guessing here. Here there's something not correct because the rest is okay. Saying today's date is whatever and then blah blah blah, but it's still putting out the wrong info. Yeah, so maybe we can fix that quickly. Let's unlink this here, or actually let's unlink it there, then we take this, hard code it in and then play with it, because this is the so we put it here. Instead of data, we just put the stuff in. Let's just see how it goes. Run once. It's not gonna put out the missing info maybe. Yeah, so it's not understanding that that's not a current job. And that could have with so many things to do, but as you can see, everything is like messed up. There's no formatting at all. I would have a hard time understanding this. But we can also test with the haiku. Run it again. Name of present employer missing, but then Ukraine is the address of the present employer, but it doesn't exist. There is no present employer. But anyways, as you can see, we're gonna have to work with what we have here. And the plan is to ease the job of the next person who will be handling this data and these forms. So when they get this formatted form, they can actually go in and check these things because they see that the missing info is there. They can just go and check and not have to fill in like the name and the blah blah blah. They just have to fill in the missing infos. That's the idea. Let's see how it goes. And it's scary, but probably we're gonna solve it somehow. Have a good day. Bye. Hello there, this is Adrian, and today we're gonna be making some processes with make.com. I just received this from a client, so if you haven't watched my other videos, go to my channel and watch them, but today I'm gonna speedrun through this. Well, not speedrun, I'm gonna record it in real time, and then maybe I'll just make it faster. So it's gonna take a few hours maybe. But yeah, so let me just show you what we have. We have inputs, we have different kinds of CVs with completely different formats. Imagine a person has to take all of this information and then they would have to put it in this format, which is the client's desired format. Yeah. So let's see how we can do this. I was thinking first, there are some things that are gonna be the same for every CV. Yeah, so it's like the dates. So I'll take some notes. So let's start with this one, with the PDF. So the phone number, email, telegram, address. Yeah. Actually, 1 second. Maybe it's better for me to share 2 screens with you. Okay, maybe this is better. Okay. So let's see. We will have these variables. I'm gonna put them down here. We're just gonna do, let's just do a new document for fun. We will put CV template and a little bit of tea. Got some yogi herbal tea. And a little bit of salt to make us the hydrolytes. What is it called? Electrolytes. Yeah, we need some electrolytes in the morning, and also to not pee too many times. All right. So I'm gonna put these variable names down, and then we'll take it from there.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up, I'm in need of us too.
Haha, perfect. Amazing. I love it, dude. I fucking love. There's so much leverage, man. So much leverage. Insane. I mean, imagine in 30 years we're gonna be like, how the fuck did people live without GPT? Thinking if I can mark them, but then later remove the marks. I think that's possible. Yeah, because there's no other highlights in the document. Nice. This is gonna be awesome, bro. Then in the future I'm just gonna do that and then we'll just remove it. Perfect. Perfecterino. I'm so crazy. It's gonna turn into a live stream. What the fuck? Like the most boring work is gonna turn into an awesome live stream. Ilai, ilai. Barman nalivai, nalivai.
Everything's alright. Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up, I'm in need of us too. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on.
Don't mind me if I do. Don't mind me if I do. It's a bit cold in Warsaw.
It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on. On and on and on.
get? Drum bass. Okay. We got the name. It's not bad. Not bad. So date of birth. Let's compare it. Let's see what we got. Date of birth. Ronaldo Meghieri. Strange, huh? Strange, because I'm thinking, do they want the contact information of the employer only? Because in this form that is given me, the client given me, I thought this was the telephone of the guy. Fuck it, I'm just gonna do as if it's the telephone of the person applying, and if not, we're just gonna change it. So, gotta do the minimum viable product. See how it works. Alright, but first let's change this. Present. No, you're joking. I gotta stop using Control Z, man. Cancel. Let's see, maybe that works. Okay, that worked. Great. Okay.
The night is young, we go, it's strong till dawn. Up all night till the morning comes, we love it so. We go, it's strong for more. Let's get it on and rave all night long. We're the party pioneers. We will bring the fire when we go for a ride. Party pioneers. Things are going well, 'cause we are the party pioneers. Party pioneers. Party pioneers. Party pioneers. Party pioneers. So come on, let's keep the fire burn. The night's not over, there's no return. Only love, it's all we need to know. Together we'll shine like stars in the sky. Oh, we go. Who will join? Oh, we go. Who's in it for more?
It looks good. So the question is, I'm getting tired. I need a nap. I've been sitting with this for 2 hours now. Yeah, 2 hours. Let me see. Probably gonna go take a nap and come back to this, okay? Because my brain is like really tired. So I'm gonna pause this right here.